Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to session 15. We're going to look and explore a little deeper into a document called the Articles of Confederation. It's something we don't hear much about, and there's actually a reason for that. So we're going to take a little look using BrainPop to analyze what was the Articles of Confederation. Are they still around, or what did they help support as the colonists began their new government? When you're doing this inside your paper journal, you will have this same think sheet we used a couple of sessions ago when we looked at the Declaration of Independence. It's called Important versus Interesting. And as you watch the video, have your paper journal turn to this page with a pen or pencil out. And anytime you notice something that seems really important about this topic, go ahead and jot it down in the left-hand column. And anytime that something is just merely interesting, right, doesn't necessarily connect to the main idea of the purpose of the Articles of Confederation and such, you can write it in the right-hand column. Remember to stay tuned to your teacher's directions as far as how they want you to turn them in, be it a screenshot or, in a different app. But just so you know, you have this in your paper journal. Okay, so I apologize that the orientation of the video changed a little bit for this part of the lesson, but for some reason, and you probably noticed this too when you're on BrainPop, it only lets me watch it laterally, but this is the video you'll be watching, and just go ahead and, as we've done before, hit play and pause whenever you find something that's either interesting or important. Off you go. So now that you've watched the BrainPop video on Articles of Confederation, you're going to swipe to the next page in your digital notebook and watch this video. Now this video is like the other that you've already watched, where we've done two of these so far, one on Bunker Hill, and then yesterday's session had to do with a chunk of battles. Either way, make sure you get out the think sheet of your map and that red and blue either colored pencil or crayon to follow along. So this will be your independent work for today's session. There is no other think sheet and there is no formative checkpoint. So go ahead and watch to see what happens next in the battles of the Revolution.